back here on Miss Monique. We've had some issues going on with the column after we rebuilt it a few months ago. So I'm getting ready to pull the steering wheel back off to check things out and see what we got going on. Obviously the horn button, the center of the horn button pops right off. And then the actual horn button itself has 3 screws. Boom, boom, boom. Takes care of that. And now we are going to undo the 3 screws that part bolts onto. Pull that out, and then we can pull our wheel. So here in the column, we got all of our chingiaderas is off, as you can see. And there's this plate in here that's notched, and it's very specific. You can see there's a hump there and a hump there, and this goes like so over those humps. Anywho, obviously that you can move this collar a little bit and all that jazz as well. Well, the problem is if it gets too far past the humps, it'll spin, which is what happened, and that's why our turn signal was way down here about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Basically cracking your knee and all that other fun nonsense. So I'm going to attempt to assemble this outside. There was a snap ring, and this carrier goes in there too. And that's what holds the steering shaft. That's the top support. And then there's a wave lock washer, and there's another washer, and a C-clip that all go on there. So we're gonna assemble all of this fun, lovely stuff and try to put it together and slide it in so it stays put where the hell it's supposed to stay put. Doing a little mock-up here, figured out what all needs to be done, and getting the column apart, I found these springs just floating aimlessly inside the column. They actually go between this collar and this collar, so this can be put on and pivoted and locked. That's where we're going wrong. So there's the proper way that assembly's supposed to be. So we got our springs in, then we get to fight this into here, and then that will lock us in here, pull all that down, and then we put our snap ring back up here on the shaft. All right, so we're back to where we were, as you can see, and then you can rotate it, and now it's locked behind. So now we tighten our screws the rest of the way, and it'll draw us back, and we can put our washer and our snap ring on. But that's how we do it. All right, we got left turn, we got right turn, we got nothing. There's our left. All right, figured her out.